Hi guys, this tutorial is going to show you how to log into Sora, which is our ebook app. So you go to the Hoodcase website again, you go to Library, the online library resources, you're going to scroll down and you see Sora down here. So if you click on the little guy, it's going to ask you to sign in. So you sign in using your ID number as well as your initials, your password initials, year you were born, 2 zeros, and click sign in. It's going to show you all kinds of things that are available. If you scroll down, there are some subjects, new ebooks, new audiobooks, the most popular, your next great read. It'll give you some suggestions, or you can just search for a book up here. One of my favorites is A Bad Case of Stripes. So I'm going to type in that title and click enter. It shows up that right here it is available, and then this little symbol right here means that it is going to be read to you. So if you choose to borrow it, you just click right here on borrow, and you are there. You have borrowed that book. So you can listen to it.
A Bad Case of Stripes. Written and illustrated by David Shannon.
And it would continue on through the whole thing. When you are finished with that book, you just close it out. When you're ready to turn the book back in, you click on it. Right here it will say return. You click on that and return it just like you would an actual library book. You can also put books on hold just like you can in Destiny. If you have any questions, contact Miss Sewell.